Hi, I'm Matt Scoopo. Welcome to Eastview. This is Dorm Tours. Welcome to Dorm Tours. I'm Matt, a senior film, television, and media arts major, and I live in Eastview. There are so many great benefits to living on the York Hill campus. Right across the way is the Rocky Top Student Center, where you can grab a quick bite to eat at the caf or hit up the gym. You're also steps away from the People's United Center for hockey and basketball games. But one of the best things about living up here are the beautiful views. Come on, let's go inside. I wanted to live on campus my senior year because I wanted my own room. Eastview is filled with 5 singles or 4 singles and a double. I also don't cook that much, so I wanted my own meal plan. And I work the hockey and basketball games as a camera operator, so being in close proximity to the arena really helps. Come on, let's go inside. Welcome to my room. When you enter, you're met with the kitchen and the common room. Over here, we have the kitchen, which has an oven, fridge, sink, and plenty of cabinet space. I don't really cook a lot, but it's nice to have the option. Otherwise, I'll just go to the cafe and use my meal plan. Right across from the kitchen is the common area, which comes with a couch, an armchair, and a table. We brought an extra couch to set up across from the TV. This is a great place to play video games or watch movies. But the best part about this area is the scenic view. And off the common room is the hallway with 2 single bathrooms. I like this because it's a bit more private. Living here, you're responsible for cleaning your own space. We keep our cleaning supplies in a storage closet at the end of the hall. My suite has 5 singles, and all the rooms face outside, so you'll always have a window. But check out mine. This is my room. I love the single because of how cozy it is, and everything's easy to access. I also got to set up the room however I wanted. The bed, the dresser, and the desk were all provided for me, but the decorations I got to bring myself to add my own flair to it. Now that you've seen my room, let me show you what else you need to know about Eastview. Want to meet your neighbors? The common rooms at the end of the hall are a great place to chill, watch TV, or hit up all the events hosted by the resident assistants. If you have a group project, you don't have to leave the building. There are study lounges on each floor where you can easily get your work done. And if you're looking to clean your clothes, the laundry rooms are on the first floor and open 24/7. One thing I love about living on the York Hill campus is the basketball and volleyball courts. It's a great way to stay active and have fun with your friends. Hope you enjoyed this tour of Eastview. If you want to check out more dorms on campus, click here. I'll see you next time on Dorm Tours.